You gave me this, my son. God will bless you. Oh, yeah, open it for mommy. Happy Mother's Day. I love you. You are kind. You are beautiful. You are helpful. Love from Zach. Zachariah. Olúwa dá ẹ sí, Olúwa wò ẹ́ o. Wàá dàgbà wàá ṣoríire o. Lórúkọ Jésù ikú ò ní pa àrùn nígbé èdè o. Màá jókòó jẹun ọmọ lórí yín lórúkọ Jésù o. Àlejò oníkèrè iṣẹ́ mi lórí yín lórúkọ Jésù o. Ẹ ṣoríire o. Ẹ jù mí lọ, ẹ jù bàbá yín lọ lórúkọ Jésù. Mama, ọkọ mi. Oh, mama. Oh, yeah, mama, open it. Mama náà fún wa o, ẹ bá Oh, dear mom, I love you. I thank you for taking care of me. Oh, you're beautiful. You're special. You're unique and nice to me. Oh, Debbie, you want to make me cry. I love you, Mom. You're my hero. Love, Debbie. Now, this message is for Mama and I. Thank you, Debbie. Wàá ṣoríire ọkọ mi. Ò ní ṣàìsàn lórúkọ Jésù. Ọwọ́ ayé ọwọ́ ọ̀tá ò ní ká yín lórúkọ Jésù. Ogun ò ní borí yín lórúkọ Jésù. You shall be greater than all of us in Jesus' name. Deborah, thank you so much. I love you, Debbie. I love you, Sakololo. Where is Sioni? Sioni! Sioni, yo! Ọkọ mi. Dear mommy, you are the best mommy in the world. Oh, call me Osheo. Oluwa dá ẹ sí o. It shall be well with you, my son. In Jesus' name. No evil will befall you in Jesus' name. No weapon formed or fashioned against you shall prosper in Jesus' name. You shall be greater than me and your dad in Jesus' name. I love you, my son.